Hello and welcome to Mad Learn. Let's take a look at how to bring sound files into an HTML screen. This can be handy when doing an app about maybe learning how to use a musical instrument and so forth. To start, open an HTML screen and its editor. Within the editor, select the option that is Insert or Edit Video. Click this button to reveal a window with two options, General and Embed. Select Embed to reveal a new window asking you to paste your embed code below. At this point, you want to have a file saved on a website like SoundCloud. For example, this song, an instrumental called Passing Time, can be embedded into this screen by clicking the Share button and its corresponding Embed option. Now you'll see a code for the embedding activity. Select all and copy it, then return to the platform and paste that code into the embed code box and click OK. Now your sound file will be ready to be played on the HTML screen. There are many uses for this, and you may want to start to explore what they could be.